Hi everybody, this is Virendra Jagdale and today I am planning to show you demo of degrees assignment. It is part of search project 0A. So we will start with large database and it will take some time to load that data. Basically we will try to find the connection between Russell Crowe and Tom Hanks. So loading is taking some time. Yeah. So now let's try to find the connection between Russell Crowe and Tom Hanks. In this large database, there is no connection. There is no direct connection between these two actors. They never worked together. So we are expecting the connection is minimum of 2 degree. It is still searching the connection. So basically in this assignment we are using breadth first algorithm to search the relation or establish the relation between two actors. And it's taking some more time. It's still working. Yeah, and we got 2 degree of separation between these two actors. Okay, so now we will try to search on small database. This will be fast actually. So it is we are trying to find a relation between Gerald Molan and Sally Field. Yeah, and this is quickly showing us the result. There is 4 degree of separation between these two actors. And now we will again try with small database the another requirement that if there is no connection then we should get the message accordingly. So we are trying to find the relation between Emma Watson and Demi Moore. And see here we are getting the message that it is these two actors are not connected based on this small database. So we are fulfilling all the conditions in this assignments. Thank you.